This vaccine was to be tested on animals at MbaZARDI farm, and researchers say the results are pleasing, that the vaccine has not caused any harm on 72 animals and a few calves after they were immunized. Dr. Halit Chirunda, Executive Director, MbaZARDI, who was also on the research team of the NARO anti-tick vaccine, says for the vaccine to be brought to use, it has to go into 6 phases of research to be approved by the National Council of Science and Technology.
Because you go through the hands of the regulator, and the regulators wish to confirm themselves whether it is indeed true the vaccine is safe. There are a number of factors that the trial must comply with, and one of them is to confirm that the science is good.
After the vaccine has gone through different stages of confirmatory, researchers need to first submit reports to the National Council of Science and Technology to get approval of the vaccine so that they are able to introduce it to the farmers.
One way of doing that is for you, the researchers, to produce the results. You share those results with other colleagues in the scientific fraternity, and the only way you do it is by taking it to a journal. The journal, the results get reviewed by other scientists.
He explains that they had delayed to inform farmers about the vaccine because the standard and ethics at which the council requires them to introduce the vaccine prefers careful examination of the vaccine to avoid risks. Dr. Chirunda says the vaccine has no harm on the functional system of animals and milk production.
We ran that. We hoped that we could get you. We could undertake our trial for 1 year, get the results, and be able to get the vaccine fast enough for the farmers if the results were good.
Mr. David Byabashaija, a cattle farmer of Bihari ward in Mbarara City North, says they have been facing challenges of diseases coupled with multiple fake drugs which make them struggle to find ways to mechanize. He explains that the fundamental challenges on these farms is ticks spreading, which affect the quality of production on the farms.
So ticks make an animal produce less. They make you spend a lot of money trying to treat the animals of tick-related diseases. They also, in some cases, you lose the animal when you fail to treat the diseases effectively. So
he adds that they shall be relieved if the vaccine is approved to be used by farmers, hence saving a lot of resources compared to purchasing fake drugs.
An ordinary farmer who has, say, 50 animals will be saving more than 15 million a year, having eliminated diseases caused by ticks. So we are very hopeful that this vaccine comes through, and possibly farmers should access it for free now that they are struggling from the burden of treating the diseases.
The NARO anti-tick vaccine work is mainly based at the National Livestock Research Institute, and it fights ticks at all stages of development. The vaccine weakens ticks in that they are unable to produce eggs, thus arresting its potential to suck blood from an animal.